application. The input was cleaned, and so the tag was removed from the value, and so it could be used in the sensitive sync. With time, we are great with time. So some conclusions about this. The main one is that it's possible to write a library for taint analysis in Python using very few lines of code and with no interpreter modification needed. And as possible feature works we see here are try to implement this module for other languages, like Ruby, for example, and evaluate it in popular web applications. And this will require us to integrate the library with some popular frameworks or in a platform like Google App Engine. More information about the library can be found in the paper submitted to this conference and in the websites of the authors of the paper. Thank you very much. You have some questions?
I'm wondering about the cleaning function.
Yep.
Is it basically a whitelist or a blacklist of things that should not be in the input?
Well,
does it take away things or?
No, you can use any cleaner function. Some provided by a framework, some provided by the language, or one implemented by you. The important thing is that mark that function as capable to clean a certain vulnerability. So when you use that function in certain value, the result will get that tag removed. So it will be possible to use it in a sync sensitive to that vulnerability.
Okay. Because in all of these kind of cases, canonicalization is a big problem. You might have different encodings of the data coming in, and you need to get down to a canonical form before you actually match it to something.
Mm-hmm.
Have you done anything regarding that?
Yeah, we don't focus in the implementation of the different cleaner functions. It's actually more than keep the track of the values and the flow in the program, and make sure that a cleaner function was used. We don't mess with the accuracy of the cleaner function actually.
So within your library, you haven't defined what you would consider a canonical form. The data should be in UTF-8 before I do the cleaning.
Yeah. No. It's open.
Oh.
Any other question?
I can give a comment on that.
Okay.
What we can do with the libraries as well is to try to check that you apply the canonization function before you do the cleaner, right? In that case, it will be like the cleaner will be the